$54,000? Yes. That's what I'm gonna share you today. How I earned that amount of money in a certain amount of time. Not knowing what I'm doing at first, but of course I need to learn it too. And by taking a leap of faith, taking a risk. Guys, in this world, every day we're taking risk. Every time you go out there, you don't know what will happen. So we are all scared all the time to do something different. But what I'm going to tell you is that take that first step that we need to have the change that we need. So sometimes change is good. Now, as long as the change is you are the one doing it. Change of mind also. Because sometimes you are stuck in the era we're in. Oh, this is all I have. This is all I'm gonna do. And I just leave my money there. Let that money work for you guys. Remember, when we work every day, 9 to 5, we are working for the money. Why not let that money work for you? Because the rich people, wealthy ones, they are letting their money work for them every day, literally. And they even let the money work while they're asleep. Why not let us try it too? Because sometimes we work so hard, we don't even have a day off, we don't even have time for our family. And the thing is, when I tried this Bitcoin, altcoin, trying to invest in this, I don't know anything. Really, I try to tell you this. You don't need to listen to me, but just look at the result that I have. How did I manage to have that from 300 to, I increased it to 3,900? And then the thing is, trying something different will give you a result if you're intentional also about it. Intentional means you have to make it happen. If you need to learn something, study or read about it. Yeah, I'm not that young anymore. I'm 58 right now, but I want to share to you this journey that I'm not expecting a lot of it. Okay? Remember, if you like this video, before we start, and you need to stay up to the end so that the one that I'll share to you, you can see it all. And the thing is, maybe I'm nothing as of now. We are the same people I'm the same people like you. I'm just everyday person that I have 3 kids. I moved here from the Philippines 2001 before the 911, and I work in insurance company and Medicare, and I learned all those things, but my background is dentistry. But I think we have a reason why we do some things, and the reason why we're here and evolving in this world is to survive, to earn money, to buy the things that we want, to buy the things that we like, to help other people too, right? And why don't we try to work smart instead of working hard? And that's the one I'm gonna share to you guys. We need to start to work smart, okay? And if you like this video, please subscribe and share it to other people. Whatever the journey that I did is the reality. It's not just like random fictional story. Okay? Pandemic time. Remember, nobody wants to buy insurance. People are not working regular times. We are cut down on the time that we can work. So I decided I have to do something. I have family that I need to help to feed them. And how am I gonna pay the rent on this mortgage that we have? And I was praying hard, and then I was reading something about Bitcoin. Yes, guys, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies. When I'm starting to read about it, there's a lot of question in my mind, and then like, what is this? But I heard a lot of people that are really against it too, and people that they like it too, like Richard Branson. Okay, is the owner of Virgin Airlines, and Reese Witherspoon, the actress, and Mark Cuban, okay, the businessman, and they are entrepreneurs, and Mike Tyson. They like it. But the number one person that we are normally looking up to is Warren Buffett. But you know that Warren Buffett doesn't like it, and I quote what he said. Bitcoin is just like a gambling token. It doesn't have any intrinsic value. But the thing is, if other people will deter you from doing something, don't let it. Because we are the one driving our destiny. Let your destiny happen to you. Because the thing is, if other people doesn't like it, guys, it's okay. It's your decision. It's your decision in your life. And then if you see some of your friends doesn't want to do it, why not just try it? Because some things, if you don't try it, you don't know the result. And then think of this. Every day we go out there, we're taking a risk. Every day we go out to work, you don't even know if you're coming back alive. No, just practicality. I'm not trying to scare you. That's the reality of life. Maybe I'm smiling today in front of you. You don't know tomorrow I'm not going to be here. But at least I want to share you what I learned and how I come to this point. I know it's not big amount of money, 54,000. But if you earn that money, just putting your money and you just leave it there and it just grows, you don't need to do anything but worry sometimes and be happy when it goes up. Why not, right? Because we work for 20K a year. That's working every day. Yes, altcoin and bitcoins, when you buy the right Bitcoin and altcoin, and Bitcoin is always just there, you know. When I started, Bitcoin is only 3,000 something. Oh no, it's already 6,000. That was, if you look at it, March of 2020. And Ethereum, when I bought it, it's $1.50 a piece. You know how much it is right now, right? It's 2,500 or 3,000 something. And I have a coin that I bought for $1.29. I have even one 28 cents. So it's not mean that you're gonna just buy one thing. You can buy different things. You can buy $1 something of this and that. But how I started is, okay, learn about it. One, then I register into platform that I can buy the cryptocurrency. And then after I did that, I learned how the wallet works. And then what else? We have a lot of things that we can do to learn something. If we really want to learn something, don't do anything, we're not going anywhere. Remember this, before I became an agent, right? What did I do? I learned about what is life insurance, what is this and what. Remember that you study every day. But this one, it took me only a few days reading about it, and then the decision, your intentions. If you really want to do something, read and learn, and then put it into action. When I put it into action, you have to relax. Because if you buy cryptocurrency and you put your money there and you worry every day, guys, don't do that. Just relax. Let it work. If some coins will not do good, some other coins will do right. If you will just worry about it every day, don't do it, guys, because you're gonna have a heart attack. Don't do that. Don't let your things that happening around you affect you. It's more expensive to be in the hospital because you keep thinking about the $4,000-$5,000 that you put in, or the $300 that you put in. You have to put money that you can afford to lose only, but don't always think about the negative things. You have to know which cryptocurrency also gonna go up. Sometimes people, you can just, as of now, it's really easy to find it because people are talking about it. But it doesn't mean that people are talking about it, it's gonna really go up, right? I paid another company to teach me or tell me which coins am I gonna buy. I was thinking if I paid them 1,500, which I borrowed the money from credit company, and they tell me the coins is gonna make it. It's easier for me, right? Rather than reading every day which one. We don't know because these people they studied about it. They have some chart and they know which one companies are gearing on this kind of token. And I tell you guys, this is the result I'm gonna show you. First, I bought a coin that you're gonna be laughing. At first I said, OMG, that's the ticker symbol, OMG. It's like, oh my gosh. And then I said, oh, am I gonna really buy this coin? Imagine that. Sometimes you will be laughing about their name. And after that, I got used to it. Okay. I even bought BCH, okay, which is a daughter or a Bitcoin Cash. That's the name. You know how much Bitcoin Cash right now is 448. But it so happened that I cannot wait. And when I bought it, it was on $8. Imagine that. Now is, and I have 1,000 of it. Now it's 440 something dollars. But I cannot wait. Sometimes you have to also wait so that you can see a good result. But if you don't wait, even you don't wait, there's a certain amount that if you have it already in $20 and you can sell it. And you have 1,000 of it, you know. So guys, here is the result. And I'm gonna show you through the pictures that I took or some videos that I took. And you can see it that I started from 3,000, 2,000 something. It went down, goes up. So I'm just gonna record to you. This is my account, and I will show you the history. It's all my asset way back 2020. I'm just showing you that there's really good result in this because it doesn't matter what I know. And I tried it right here. I think it's just showing the 2,000 right now that I started on March 20. And you know guys, it's going up. That's April. And then by May is 4,816. So, and then it went to May 24 is 5,000 already. Then went down. This went down again to 4,816. So basically this is the time that this kept going up, and I did not do anything guys. Just sleeping, and I don't even know how to withdraw. Then by 27,000, then 18,000. That's August is 18,000 already. You take out what I put in there, which is, let's say, 3,000. Still have 15,000 that I earned. So 26,000 by the time in September. And then October, 24K, 26, 24, again went down. So basically going up and down. Then the 34K, then 52, and went down again. So 37, 45, 52, then 53, 899. So there's almost 54,000. So even I withdrew, it went down to 37, went back up to 49. So you can see this the downfall is either I withdrew, take out the money, right? And I move it to another platform. So this one is the proof that I made it from nothing, 2008, 28, then it keeps going up. So the sky is the limit, guys. If you have the money, put it in. If you don't want to try it, it's up to you. But this is my result. Until now, I still have. Okay? So, that's it. But the thing is, remember this. Make intentions. Make a change in your life. Taking a risk is not a bad thing. Okay? Put the money that you can put only, that you can afford to lose. So, see you again next time. And I will continue this with a video that's showing how I made it. And please have a blessed day and be a blessing to other people too. Thank you and have a good day.